I'm going to show you how to change the front headlight bulb on a Kia Soul. The first thing you need to do is pop the trunk. At least on mine, it just has a latch here and then an automatic hinge that just lifts it up. Now, the one on the driver's side is going to be a little harder to get to because of the fuse box. It's right here. So I'm going to show you on the passenger side, just because I'm going to be able to get my camera where I need it to be a little bit more easily. So there's a dust cap here that you'll twist and it'll come right off. And then this whole gray purple thing is the wiring, and you'll squeeze on the more narrow part of it. So kind of finger under the purple, and you'll see there's a little latch right there. And then this, what you're looking at, is the actual bulb there, and you're going to rotate it counterclockwise. So I'm going to grab it here, hopefully you can kind of tell by how my hand is, and twist it that way. So starting here, going that way, and then the whole bulb will pull right out. And when you buy a bulb, this is what you're going to get. This is quite a bit bigger than other headlight bulbs that I've changed, and there's only one. There's not a high beam and a low beam, brights and daylight. There's just one bulb. So then you put it in, and it only fits one way, and then you twist it clockwise, so starting like this and twisting that way until it locks into place, and then connect this back on. Again, there's only one way that it goes on there. You'll hear it click, and then take your cap, your dust cap, and twist it back into place. I hope you found this video useful. If you did, I'd appreciate it if you'd like, subscribe, and if you have any questions, please do comment below. I'll get back to you as quick as I can and try and help you through this process. Thanks.